Hemios Hematite Bracelet. You may have seen ads claiming that this bracelet can sharpen focus, boost testosterone, restore masculine energy, and even support metabolism, all by just wearing it. Sounds powerful, right? But is it really? Let's break this down together. First thing I noticed, the reviews on their website. They're glowing, super positive, almost too perfect. 4.8 stars, life-changing comments, all that good stuff. But here's the weird part. Some reviews are dated January 2025, and according to domain records, the website wasn't even created until July 2025. How is that possible? When we checked outside their site, there were only a couple of reviews, and both weren't so happy. People mentioned slow shipping, bad quality, and trouble getting refunds. Not a great look. Next, the marketing claims. The brand shows logos from places like GQ, Cosmopolitan, Men's Health, and more. Sounds impressive, right? But there are no links, no screenshots, no proof of actual features. It kind of feels like they're trying to look trusted, without earning it. Then we checked the product photos. At first glance, nice, but a reverse image search showed the same picture on other sites, which makes you think, are we even seeing their product? If a brand can't show real photos, it's hard to build trust. That's just facts. And oh boy, the sales tactics. 40% off, buy one get one. Only a few left. Free express shipping. It's like every urgency button was pressed at once. Feels less like a natural offer and more like pressure. Now let's talk claims. Increase testosterone, burn fat, fix brain fog, restore masculine drive. Listen, no stone bracelet does all that. There's zero scientific proof behind those promises. And when products promise medical-level results without evidence, that's a red flag to be careful with, not a confidence booster. So, what's the verdict? From suspicious reviews, no proof of big media mentions, copied product images, super aggressive sales tactics, and big health promises with no science behind them. This one raises a lot of questions. If you're thinking about buying it, honestly, it might be safer to skip it instead of getting caught in wellness hype. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoy honest product breakdowns like this, hit like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment if you've seen ads for this bracelet too. Take care, stay smart, and always research before you buy anything online. See you in the next one.